guys, welcome to the channel today. I think today I am going to move these Bresse out into the pen where all the ducks are. For now, we've been talking about moving the ducks, let them free and go to the pond. Our only concern is they're not going to be able to defend themselves. They're not going to be fast enough to get away from Oakley, and he'll be the one to eat them. I'm gonna move these out here. I'm just gonna keep a close eye on them and see if the critter that ate their other chickens comes back. If I start losing them, I'll count these and get a number and see. But yeah, they've outgrown this pen. I think it's time for them to get some more room, so I'll put them out there with the ducks. So I thought I'd count them, see how many roosters I have, which they'll be quickly to go to the pot, because we don't want all those roosters to stay. And then of course all the hens, and they'll soon be laying eggs because these roosters have started crowing. So I'm excited to have these. So, and our chickens have all of a sudden, quit laying. So I want to get these out here, let them get grown, and we're going to put them in this other pen when they get a little bit bigger. So let's see how this goes. So Stumpy's old faithful yellow crate has been good for us in, transferring the chickens to where we want them to go. So they're gonna probably fight me, but I'll get them in. Stay back, boys. But they're gonna love me once they realize, ooh, they have no water. Bless their hearts. Okay, come on, babies. No, get in there. They're actually gonna love me when they realize the dogs are going crazy. No, get in there. Come on, baby. Yep, I know. I know. You're actually gonna love me. I know. The dogs are like, hello, I want to help. Come here, baby. Sweet girl. She's having a fit. Well, that didn't take long. I'm gonna wash out their, yeah, I'm ready to take this hoop coop down. It's not been very good. It's been blown over several times, and let's see if I can lift them. They might be, oh my gosh, they're heavy. Woo. About whooped me. But they're gonna love it, hopefully, in their new home. So let's get them back. Let me grab them. Stay, boys. As you remember, out here, when I had the 29 chickens out here, something got them and we never could catch it. The ducks have been in here for a month or so, and nothing's come back in here to get them. So I'm gonna count them as I take them out. And that way I'll be able to keep up with how many. So, 1 hen, 2 hen, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, there's 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there's 14. I think there's 5 of them are roosters. So we'll see if they make it. I'm going to get them some water and some feed out and see how they do. But I think they'll do fine, maybe, with the maybe. We'll see. If they don't, then we'll move them to another place. Waters, man. These are from the previous chickens. So they seem to be doing fine. The ducks are talking, wondering what in the world, you know. They were roasting on their water in the hoop coop. Oh, she looks happy. She's sitting in there just basking in the sun down there. Can you see her down there? She's just basking way down there. I don't know if you can see her. Yeah, right down there. She seems happy. Okay, there they go. I got them some fresh food, some fresh water. The ducks are still not so sure about this. So there you have it. On Perry Hill Farms today. Thank you for joining us on the chicken move. We'll see how they do. Remember, as Stuppy always says, a simple life is a much more enjoyable life. God bless y'all. We'll see you on the next video.